To the FU Lady Tamaraws for beating the UE Lady Warriors in straight sets. The Lady Tamaraws are now at 5-3. We have Coach Tina Salak, Paida Bakangke, and Melody Pons. Coach, congratulations for this victory. So it's a good way to start the second round. Although yung UE pumalag ng third set, you're able to pull it through with Paida and Mongay. So what can you say about the team's effort in this match? Especially wala si Jers.
Actually, yung against UE kasi, against UE, siyempre kailangan namin mag-ready. In a matter na wala nga si Jers, nagkaroon kami ng mga few adjustments. Kailangan din namin siyang i-run through because hindi natin alam, so indefinite pa yung balik niya. But we're hoping, di ba? We're hoping doon sa mga adjustments namin na gagawin, makapag-contribute yung lahat. And then maging komportable din sila dun sa adjustments na gagawin namin. And malaking factor din with UE kasi na-run namin na maayos with UE. And hindi din naman kasi hindi din naman kasi biro din na UE yung namin kalaban. It's more on kailangan din namin i-prep lahat ng ngayong second round.
Thank you, Coach Tupaida. You had 12 of 25 attacks, 2 blocks, and 5 digs. So this a good start for your second round campaign, especially trying to make it back to the final four. So what can you say about the team's performance to pull this through?
The first, I want to say thank you to God because it was not easy about this adjustment we are trying to do. So, and then everything we are doing right now is with love. So we make love with everything we're trying to do, and then we add also determination and motivation coming from the coaches and teammates.
Thank you, Paida. Tumongga, you had 6 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, 9 digs, and 5 exit sections. First start mo, pero you impressed. So ano man sabi mo? Kasi syempre pinil mo yung iniwan ni Jers for the meantime at nanalo kayo. What can you say?
Sobrang thankful po ako sa opportunity na binigay ni Coach T and sa mga coaches po na nagtiwala sa akin. And sinunod ko lang po yung kung anong sistema na binubuo po namin. And kung ano po yung program na binibigay po ni Coach T is ine-execute lang po namin. And then, sabi nga ni Coach, hindi madali yung adjustment. So, wag namin gawing joke yung kung anong binibigay sa amin na role. So, in-embrace ko po yung binigay sa akin ni Coach T. And, ayun po, sa po na-execute naman po ng walang po. Okay na po.
Thank you, Mongay. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Pwede si mag-thank you na lang.
Coach, update lang po kay Jers after nung injury niya.
Updates, actually no surgery, no surgery. Ang pinakamagandang doon, yung word na no surgery, happy na kami doon. But yung recovery, syempre, hindi pa natin alam. But we're targeting at least a new game. We're targeting. But no pressure with yourself, of course. Nasa kanya naman yung kung paano niya i-handle yung situation ngayon, yung injuries niya, and also yung development yung kanyang yung progress ng development ng kanyang injury. But targeting NU.
How are you taking the challenge? Not just to help the team in scoring with Jers, sitting out, but also her leadership on the floor. Like, how are you stepping up on that part of the game?
So now I'm becoming 4th year. So this is the time I need to shine. To shine because I know my artists, they will go. So this is me who I will stay here with them. How I will step up. I trying to call out and I try to motivate each of my teammates inside to the con. So I think this thing is very important to us. So if you see someone, he can move on about her error or something she commit inside to the car, you should be there to motivate her. It is not about you, her ate, but you still inside, so we are the same. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Coach, ayun nga with Jers out, gano'n ka lang natuwa na both players standing beside you today, si Faida at si Melody. And of course, other players step up naman to return sa panalo para sa FEU.
Yung stepping up naman with these 2 young ladies, of course, yung iba din. individual role, alam naman nila kung ano yung role sila. But yung stepping up lang, it's more on kailangan ko lang silang i-motivate kung how they will execute yung lahat ng pinapagawa. And confidence din, kung hindi ko ibibigay din sa kanila, hindi din kasi nila mararamdaman. But with Jercel din on the sideline, nakikita din nila on how, di ba, si ate, na magpakita din ng effort dun sa team, tapos nakikita nila on the sideline. Tapos meron nagtitrigger din sa kanila na kailangan din nila mag-step up on their own. But I'm very, very happy doon sa team na ngayon, at the present. Kasi yun muna yung tinitignan namin at the present. Not looking back at the second round. We're looking at the present ngayon sa second. Not looking back on the first round, moving forward to second round, we're staying at the present muna. One day at a time, one training at a time. Kasi you never know. Kasi yun nga, yung basically yung standing namin now with 5-3, malaking bagay pa rin yun, di ba, makikita. But with the health and health concerns sa mga players kasi struggle kami. Medyo malaki na rin yung nangyayari na sa amin, actually hindi naman sa but yung injuries kasi nag-occur na hindi namin nalalaman. So but basically gusto namin maging healthy pa rin yung mga players going to any game, going to another game para magkaroon pa rin kami ng direction. Kasi pag once na ano na yun, diba, parang hindi na kami na ma-motivate sa lahat ng mga injuries kasi yun ang unang-una nating kalaban. But still, kailangan namin munang alagaan bawat isa yung health nila. Thank you.
And Fido, just to follow up on the earlier question, in your first few seasons with FEU, you were a bit more shy and more quiet, just trying to learn the ropes. Now, as one of the leaders, like, take us to the experiences that made you more outspoken, braver, and really ready to step up for the team.
It's about time.
Yeah, it is about time also. I take my time. I did not make pressure to myself. So I make everything step by step. When I trying, if it is not working, tomorrow it's working. So that is why I'm coming I'm like Filipino. When the way I talk, so it is easy for me to adjust to everything here in the Philippines. So like that.
And yun, Melody, just take us through lang yung experience of learning under Coach T, yung time mo so far with FEU na even though limited minutes, pero for sure din, marami ka na rin mga natututunan kay Coach T and paano mo siya na-put into action today nung nakalaro ka na?
Nagsimula po talaga yan sa preparation po sa ensayo pa lang. Sobrang tutok po sa amin ni Coach T, kaya po siya nadala po sa laro ngayon.
Melody, paano mo lang din tinitake pride? Siyempre, yung family nyo, naglaro kayo si Bernadette din sa FEU. Paano mo lang tinitake pride na ito, naglalaro ka rin sa FEU?
Ginagawa ko po silang inspiration po sa bawat laro ko, kahit po sa beach, mapa-indoor man po. Parang yun lang po yung hinuhugot ko po para mas ma-inspire pa po ako maglaro.
Coach T, yung mga numbers ni Monggay today, syempre parang pang Bernadette Pons na rin kahit pa paano. So what can you say? Yung mga contributions niya?
Yung timing kasi kay Melody, it's parang binibigyan lang din namin kasi ng importance yung timing. Yung role niya, kahit nga limited minutes siya, pero pag yung dating kasi, pag once sa step in sa court, ang laki kasi ng impact niya. So kahit na hindi siya nakakapag-provide ng mga ibang points, pero in a matter na nakakapag-provide siya ng ibang energy sa team, even na alam natin na limited minutes, isang serve lang and everything. Pero ang laki kasing contribution yon without any numbers. Yun yung nakikita namin na role na inaano ni Monggay. Yung sisterhood nila kasi iba na yung samahan eh. Iba na yung samahan. So, pag once na kasi isang Monggay ang pumasok sa court, iba yung nagiging vibe, iba yung nagiging harmony. Kaya yung role niya with or without numbers, napaka-crucial sa amin. At napaka-importante din sa amin yon.
And Coach, next game nyo, NU, first round nyo, 5 sets, and your thoughts about playing NU again, especially tayo papalapit na tayo sa ng home stretch.
Yung with NU game first round, di ba? No looking back na nga. But yung second round kasi yun na yung tinitignan namin, this is our last game. Every game is our last game. Para lahat all out na. So, wala na kaming regrets on how, kung paano namin siya gagawin. But, ang mindset namin, this second round, all games are our last game. So, best effort lahat sa NU game, best lahat na gagawin namin. Kung magkaroon man kami ng mga lapses, wala na, ano na yan tapos na yun. Wala na tayong magagawa nun. But still, meron pa kaming prep for NU on Sunday para at least maayos namin lahat yung game natin with NU nung game 1. Kailangan namin maayos lahat yun. Considering also yung status namin ngayon, di ba, without Jercel, and also Ali has merong injury din, kaya din hindi siya nakalaro ngayon. And may mga adjustments din kami doon sa middles namin na merong din, di ba, hindi, iba-iba yung role natin, iba-iba yung story ng teams. So, kung maiintindihan nyo kung bakit namin ginagawa to, kasi kami yung nakakaalam. But still, focus namin is always a win. Kung magkaroon kami ng malaking adjustments, ibigay ko sa mga bata yun, inadapt nila yung adjustments namin, binigay nila yung role nila dun sa adjustments namin. And everything put into heart, diba, para manalo this second round.
Congratulations, Coach T, Paida, and Monggay.
Thank you.
Stay healthy and good luck in the match.